Valencia, California real estate market update, November 18th, 2024, week 47, day 323 of 2024. Welcome to your Valencia Real Estate Pulse. For this week, let's get into the latest activity. I do a breakdown each and every day for a different city in the Santa Clarita Valley. Mondays are Valencia's. So let's talk about what's happening across Valencia neighborhoods. So today's market is alive with both opportunities and trends to keep an eye on if you're looking to buy or sell in this sought after area, of course, of Valencia, California. Coming soon properties, we have two properties that are coming soon in Valencia. There are some prime chances to get ahead of the curve and scout out future listings in top spots like Valencia North and Valencia 1. If you're a buyer, a heads up, getting in to these listings early can definitely mean less competition sometimes and better negotiation power in the future. So check those out. The only way you get access is make sure you have your agent send you the coming soon listings. And if you don't have access, go to santaclaritavopenhouses.com/coming soon, and I'll be able to help you out. New listings this week, 18 new properties hit the market in Valencia, California, spanning a range of types and price points. You're going to find high-end condos around the fairways with some price close to $1 million. Single-family homes in Tesoro and North Park, listings up to $2 million. For those after value, there are listings around $700,000. In Valencia Summit and Northbridge, great options if you're looking to balance budget and lifestyle. For buyers, make sure you stay focused. New listings are moving quickly, still in high demand in neighborhoods. If people are listing houses now, they're very serious in selling, and if buyers are looking now, they're very serious in buying. So set your alerts and be prepared with financing to avoid getting outpaced by other buyers. For price changes this week, we saw 21 price adjustments. That's actually pretty substantial in Valencia, California, particularly in areas like Tesoro de Valle, North Park, and Valencia North. We're seeing median reductions somewhere in the $10,000 neighborhood. Sometimes get more, sometimes less. For a tip for sellers, adjusting your price can definitely be strategic, especially in a competitive market. It's about striking that balance. Price competitively, but make sure it reflects the value your areas offer. Now, back on market properties, 6 properties have hit the back on market status, or known as BOM. These relistings also mean a chance to renegotiate and maybe change in contract or some other change has taken place, which could definitely open up chances for buyers. For buyers out there, ignore those back on market listings. Often these homes return to the market with motivated sellers and possibly better terms. In addition, it's not always the fault of the seller or the house. Sometimes buyers go out there and overextend themselves while they're in escrow after they've already been pre-approved. So when their credit gets run again, closer to the end of escrow, when they're closer to closing, all of a sudden they're not qualified anymore because they went out and bought that $80,000 Raptor. I think there may be $100,000. Anyway, the buying and selling flow, active under contract properties and pending sales in Valencia. This past week, we had a solid 8 properties under contract. 18 have been moved into the pending status. This movement reflects solid buyer confidence, especially in places like Valencia West and Northbridge. In these communities, properties are in high demand and definitely moving fast. If you're listing in a neighborhood with active contracts or pending sales, capitalize on that momentum. Highlight what makes your listing unique, especially if you're priced near these active price points. 19 transactions closed this last week in Valencia, California, with notable high value areas being the Fairways, Valencia West, and also Northbridge. The average closing price is around $870,000, with some high-end homes in Valencia West closing as high as $1.15 million. Sales in Northbridge and Valencia 1 are moving quickly, some under 10 days, proof that certain areas are definitely a hot ticket. If you're in a fast-moving neighborhood, position your home to stand out. First impressions matter. Staging, curb appeal should be on point. We're seeing 4 listings that have been placed on hold in the Northbridge and the Fairways, 1 withdrawn this week. This trend can sometimes signal a change in seller strategy or buyer contingency, which can affect both buyers and sellers looking at these different areas. Buyers keep an eye on these on hold and withdrawal listings. Maybe they could reemerge with better terms or price adjustments. And if you're thinking of holding your property until next year as a seller, you might want to rethink that strategy. The unknown is next year. Although everything looks like it's going to be wonderful, cotton candy and rainbows, we really don't know how next year is going to pan out. especially with all the changes on the AI front. And yes, I've been looking into that, so be careful. We will keep you posted on future shows with regard to artificial intelligence, the way that is going to come to maybe break through and change a lot of things on the real estate front. Now, the Valencia market is buzzing with activity, from coming soon listings to quick closing. This is a prime time for both buyers and sellers who want to make the most of this strong dynamic market, whether you're looking to move into Valencia or sell in these sought after neighborhoods, knowing these weekly trends keep you one step ahead. For the full list of Valencia homes currently that are for sale, all you have to do is go to Santa Clarita openhouses.com, and that same website you get there, you'll also see an offering for the Santa Clarita Real Estate Guide. It has been updated for 2025. It's a book that I've written. You get in paperback and also on Kindle. It will give you a lot of those whys and different questions that you should be asking before embarking on real estate, which is incredibly important, even if you're a savvy home buyer, but not specific for Santa Clarita. It will help you because it gives ideas on what happens in our local market, including some of the different types of residences that were built with various wiring maybe and plumbing that had failed in the past. Some of those properties, when they come onto the market for sale, those sellers haven't paid attention to those items and they create hazards. So it's important to know the different areas and different, well, scenarios that you could possibly face if you're interested in buying or selling in Valencia, California. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the book, and we will be back in the next one. Tomorrow is our Stevenson Ranch real estate update, so please tune in for that. And we have, of course, our recap shows on Sundays, which we throw in Acton and Agua Dulce, but we're back every day this week talking about real estate in our local market. I'm Connor with Honor. Be well. We'll talk to you soon.